What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend, even though the crypto market certainly is not. Cardano, the last week for Cardano has been so bad. We'll talk about that in this video. Well, little voice crack, good morning. We'll talk about that, we'll talk about some short-term technicals. Like, we dropped down quite a bit, and right now it looks like Cardano is like the weakest out of the big three that fell, which were Matic, Solana and Cardano. So we'll talk about what's possible. I mean, in the end, we did find a significant support, I would say, but you never know in these markets. So we'll talk about that. I'll introduce the whole situation to you first, and then we'll take a look at some fundamentals for Cardano, and then we'll take a look at the technicals. I think that's the best way. I think that you'll have most value then if I go about it like that. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals and actually make some money in circumstances, market circumstances like this, which the Trading Signal Group has been doing for the last month, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Cardano. So overall, what happened? I mean, the difference between Cardano and other cryptos is that on Monday, when we had that significant drop when Binance was sued by the SEC, Cardano actually never rebounded. Cardano just went up to 35.5 cents, took a bearish break retest, and we started falling even more. Most cryptos actually recovered a bit, but Cardano, I mean, by it being labeled a security in those lawsuits, and then also by being delisted on Robinhood, there was just probably so much buying or selling pressure. And then I'm actually not sure how many funds got into Cardano, but probably some major venture capitals that actually invested in Cardano or this guy. Probably they dumped some tokens as well, so that caused a lot of bearish momentum, causing the price to drop down to levels we haven't seen since the 30th of December in 2022. So very bearish. Cardano overall was actually still performing very well. If we take a look at network statistics, look, right now it has dropped down because of the prices, but I mean, no other network had a growth like this. So it's a bit of a shame to see this, but yeah, that's I think that's everything you need to know about the situation right now. If we take a look at if we talk about the technicals right now, what you'll see is that historically, it's first of all, it's really hard. So, I mean, historically, there's multiple levels here in this entire level between, I would say, 26.5 cents and 25 cents. I would say the most important level is 25 cents. And there's two reasons for that. First of all, it's a psychological level. And second of all, we just need to get some sort of bullish momentum going, right? If we want to get some recovery, because, I mean, at this point in time, I'd say it's impossible to get to 30 cents. That's already too high. 28 cents, perhaps possible. If Bitcoin also gets a little bit more bullish after touching this resistance here, it's a possibility. But right now, like you could have also seen right here, and you can also see it on the daily time frame, this level right here between 23 and 24 cents really is our last support. If that breaks, we'll drop down all the way to 20 cents, which would be, I think, another disaster. So at this point of time, the most thing we'd have to do within the next 2 days, I'd say, is two things. First of all, stay on top of 23 cents. Second of all, get some sort of a bullish breakout to about 25 cents. Then we first of all have another support level at 25 cents. Second of all, we've actually shown some bullish momentum, which in turn could spur some more bullish momentum up to 27 and 27.5 cents. Because overall, the market circumstances around Cardano are not that bad. The dollar strength index is falling. I think Bitcoin can get a bullish week next week. So this is definitely possible. I would even say it's the most likely scenario. This is what I expect for Cardano at this point in time. It's just that it looks so weak that I wouldn't bet on this. I would not trade this. It's just what I think the most likely scenario is at this point in time, if we're taking into account all of the factors. But all right, that's my take on Cardano for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.